लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर। नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर। काला काला चश्मा जचता तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला दिल जचता है तेरे चिन पे। अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में।
तुझे जैसे 36 फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे, वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी। तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है मैं कटरी ना तो सूढ़ी वे। मैं फेड अप हो गई हूं मुंडिया सुन सुन के तेरे दुखने वे। मैनू काला चश्मा ओ मैनू काला 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 ओ मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते। मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते, जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते।
सड़कों पे चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर। नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर।
मैनू काला चश्मा ओ मैनू काला काला चश्मा ए काला चश्मा ओ काला 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 काला।
चश्मा जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते।
मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते। काला चश्मा जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते।
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ। 1 2 3 come on
अब मिलके सारे ऐश करें ये प्यार की दौलत कैश करें। अब मिलके सारे ऐश करें ये प्यार की दौलत कैश करें। मन में जो आए वो ही पाए दिल की समझते हम।
bring it back come on
जिए अपनी मर्जी से पिए जाम खुशी वाले ओ कल की कोई बात नहीं आज ही खुशी बना ले। जिए अपनी मर्जी से पिए जाम खुशी वाले ओ कल की कोई बात नहीं आज ही खुशी बना ले।
bring it back come on
Babu bhai, can you guys come here for a moment? Because we may not get an opportunity. Please, please. Okay, I think. Maybe we can ask the audience in a meantime, how are you feeling? So, how are you feeling?
Doing great.
Who are you here for?
Katrina and Basha and Karan.
Katrina and Basha and Karan. If I ask you to pick one, will that be Karan?
Yeah, Karan.
Yeah, I knew that. He's a Karan Johar fan. What's your name?
Awesome.
Sim. Noman?
So patient. I know you're all excited to see the stars, so I'll skip the lecture and we'll get to the point. Let's get this evening started. So let's give our favorite Bollywood stars a warm Chicago welcome. Please make some noise for the Dream Team. Karan Johar. Welcome to Chicago Dream Team. Nice to have you guys here. Ladies and gentlemen, please take a seat. Sahil and Ellie Tan have been entertaining Chicago for over 3 decades. With nearly 100 successful shows, they continue to bring more masti and entertainment to our beautiful city. Now, they bring to you the most awaited dynamic team. Mayur Patel, Babu Patel, Nick Patel, and Bhavesh Patel. Come on, friends, you gotta get excited. This wouldn't be possible without them. The Dream Team concert has been brought to you by Sahil and LA Tan in association with Dr. Manish Pandya, Dr. Shahid Bhatti, Hetal Patel, Savi Singh, Amit, and Nick Joshi. A very special thank you to Meet Shah of City Center, West Orange. Thank you. Okay, we can start the media interaction. First thing I would request everyone to do is please silence your phones. We don't want to hear disturbance in the back. We can start our interaction with the dynamic star cast. Please introduce yourself, what media outlet you're from, and may I request that it's one question per person. There's a lot of you out there. One question per person, and keep it focused on the Dream Team and the concert.
First up, we just want to say a very good evening to everyone who is gathered over here, and thank you Chicago for the very warm welcome. I want to say thank you to Mr. Bhavesh, Nick and Rajinder ji is also here and supported us throughout this tour. And we're here in Chicago and we want to put up a really good show, probably the best show because we've heard Chicago has the best crowd. Now I'm going to pass the mic to Karan Johar, who's very excited because of the Olympics.
Hi, good evening, and thank you for coming in such large numbers. We're thoroughly excited with the infectious energy of Chicago and the palpable energy that I see even in the house tonight. You have questions for all of us. All of us represent what you call the Dream Team, and we'd like to thank everyone on this podium, to Nick and Bhavesh, and also to Rajinder ji, who's actually flown in from Houston to be with us. Thank you. Is he here? Where's Rajinder ji? We'd like him to come and join us on this platform as well. He's been a wonderful support to the entire proceedings of the Dream Team. And please come and join the family, Rajinder ji. Thank you for being here. happy to take your questions, ladies and gentlemen.
Keep them exciting.
Keep the questions or answers.
Who want to go first? Vandana ji from TV Asia.
Namaskar everyone, we welcome you to Chicago, and coming from Karan, I think you are handling it from Houston to San Francisco, then to Florida, and come to Chicago. So what are you expecting from the crowd so we can request them like they should be there in number and make this show successful?
Well, I already can tell from our press conference, we've had one before, and the energy there was amazing, but this is on another level altogether. So just going by the press reaction to the Dream Team, and going by the tweets, Facebook updates, everything we're receiving, let me tell you, Chicago seems to be the most hot and happening place. We're expecting to rock and roll Soaring all the way tomorrow night. Like, we can't wait to go on that stage. So we have huge expectations, and I really, really pray that you deliver. Come on, guys, you have to make it happen tomorrow night, right?
Next question. Please raise your hand so we can see where you're located.
Bollywood Hangama.
What's up, Faridun?
What's up?
I'm Faridun.
He's just come from the gym, guys.
Okay, Pariniti, you posted a picture after Orlando where you're totally tired, and would like to just share your experiences because people think that the entertainment business is all fun.
I can't hear you.
Yeah, what I'm saying is that after Orlando, you posted a picture of Proteus who just passed out and all that. The fact that people who feel that entertainment business is all fun and games, the amount of hard work that has gone into this thing and the sort of traveling you guys have done, and still the energy levels have been extremely high.
Yeah, it's true actually. A lot of people, including my family and friends, also thought it's going to be all fun and games, and all we're doing is we're reaching a city and we're dancing, but it's much more than that. We're all jet lagged, we're all exhausted. I, for one, have been waking up every day and not remembering which city I am in. We've been taking a flight a day and doing a show that day. So yeah, it's been really exhausting, but the moment we get on stage, the energy of the people is so good that we just forget everything. I think as actors, that's what we live for. We live for people cheering for us, supporting us, encouraging us, and it takes that 1 minute of a switch and we start enjoying it. So it's all worth it. We're exhausted, but we're ready to rock tomorrow. And I hope you all also have a lot of fun tomorrow. It's going to be great actually.
Friends, may I request you guys to kind of shush down a little bit? This is your one-on-one time with this amazing star cast. Please give them the opportunity to hear you out, and it would be nice. You're here to listen to them, you're here to ask them questions. So if the chatter could die down a little bit, that would be wonderful. Next question.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. So we want to give opportunity to media to ask questions first.
Hi, I have a question. As compared to the other shows, what are you guys going to do that's going to be different? Like, what do you guys feel is coming into the show in Chicago that was different from last week's show?
I'm just going to go ahead and answer this one. I feel this show is really different because it's really young. It's one of the youngest group of actors coming together to perform in America. Second, the type of performances that we are doing, everything has either an integration of technology. When we are dancing, like for example in my act, I'm using aerial silk. It's a dance form that's done, so it's the first time that an actor is doing it on stage live. So that's going to be done. Also, we are trying to do something where, obviously you will have all the elements of a Bollywood show over here, but definitely we are pushing the envelope where technology is concerned, or the risk factor is concerned, or just coming out and entertaining the crowd is concerned. So I'm sure you will find it different, and I hope you wear the same suit and come to watch the show tomorrow.
Actually, there's a considerable endeavor made at our part to actually change and alter each and every show, so it becomes a newer viewing experience for an audience. So Chicago will see a completely different show from what Houston saw, or what San Jose saw, or what Orlando did. In fact, each and every member on this panel is sparkling in a totally unusual way and demeanor in Chicago tomorrow night. From Katrina's new renewed vigor and new music, to Siddharth's new entry, to Alia's sparkle, to to Parinithi's Dazzle, to Varun's launch into the audience, to Badshah's new age songs, to Aditya Roy Kapoor's new age Ashiki, we've covered the entire base and gamut of love and emotion in Bollywood.
And Karan's what?
Me, well, I don't know. I just feel like I'm the oldest member of this.
No, he's not. He's
No.
the youngest member, and he's the USP of the show. Honestly, Sanjo is the USP of the show.
You've never seen Karan perform on stage like this. So that's
You guys have to come and see Karan perform live. It is the greatest thing. It is the most amazing, most passionate performance, and we all also enjoy it.
The most fascinating performance
I
ever.
think you forget all our performances after hosting.
Yeah, you really forget all of us because he really steals the show. We're also secretly upset about it, but it's
Yeah, he's
amazing.
stealing the show.
Yeah, right. This is what they do. They make so much fun of me by saying things like this.
Karan, there's no need for this humble behavior.
Alright, time for next question.
So I'm representing Bollywood Hungama, Freddie's little brother from Chicago. So, two questions for Karan Johar. Can we expect some coffee with Karan tomorrow?
Well, there's a version of it. It's Coffee with Chicago. And it's actually an unusual interaction that blends in some kind of masti, some kind of maza, and some kind of magic. The 3 M's we bring to the table.
That's awesome. So since you're the master of wits and you're quick with words, I'll put a coffee with Karan kind of question for you.
So what do I get? Do I get a nakpa? Because otherwise I don't go home so easy.
You get Faridun's souvenir, a keychain.
Faridun is a souvenir.
So the question is, Radha Teri Chunri, Jane Man Aa, ya Chikni Chambeli. What's your favorite item song?
It's Radha all the way. That song launched me as an international level dancer on most platforms. I launched Radha on Jhalak Dikhlaja by going completely mad. People thought I was drunk that day. I was just drunk on my own film and Radha. So it's Radha, there's no comparison. Any other song in the universe.
Alright, so we have another question for the media.
This is Dr. Preeti. Actually, I'm from Desi Junction. I have a question for Aditya. I'm fan of everybody, but I'm really a big fan of
But
yours.
Aditya, I like your taste.
And we also want to add that he's single and available.
room numbers. I've instructed them to do this at press conferences. And he's only here for one night. So we would need a checkup later on. That's all I need.
So you can stay for me forever.
We need it for the next 2 shows. After the Sunday show, I'm free.
Chance mein dance wali aa gayi front row. I like this.
Actually, I wanted to know what can I expect from you.
What do you mean? What can you offer? What do you offer, Adi?
Dr. Preeti.
Adi, what can you offer? What does your offer document? Since you're here only for a night.
Dr. Preeti, he lasts long and he goes all night long.
He's very good at ordering room service.
Room service. I have lots of stamina. This one is very good, Dr. Preeti. Okay, Dr. Preeti, you're not married now?
Not on papers.
What can we expect from you? Don't tell us. No, we don't. Tomorrow night. Your dance show.
You should express your potential, Adi. Come on.
Come on, Adi, tell
Don't
us,
hide
what are you
it.
capable of?
Oh, I'm capable of lots, but I think this is not the platform to talk about that.
Well, I'll tell you what Aditya does really well. If you buy a raincoat, he performs very well under it.
Good one, Karan, good one. Adi, you want to say something?
So that's the perfect way to end this part of the conversation.
Thank you so much. And we have some friends from Pakistan here.
Hi, how are you? My name is Dr. Razik Sahi. I'm got a question for Katrina Kaif. She's so quiet right now. And how are you going to perform for the Kala Chashma, your new song coming?
Sorry, what was the question?
Show Katrina how you're going to perform on
How am I
Kala
going to perform? How? Hopefully accessing the memory in my head and hopefully accessing the choreography. Me and Sid will look at each other, try not to step on each other, try and get it right, try and stay on beat, and yeah, I think that's our agenda. But by the time that song comes, I think everyone's just having such a good time, and the energy has been great at all the shows. It comes like a little later in the show, so I think I'm just really excited to see the audience tomorrow in Chicago, and Hopefully it's going to be a great show. Thank you.
We have another question from him.
This question is for Alia Bhatt. This is from all your Gujarati fans.
Kincho.
That was the first question. Do you speak Gujarati fluently? And if so, could you say 8 words?
હું તમે બહુ પ્રેમ કરું છું. Then I can say one thing which is the thing I know the most is શું છે સારું છે દંડા લેકે મારું છું. But thank you for all the lovely Gujarati fans. I love you too, and I am part Gujarati, and I love Meethi Dan and everything else.
Hi, my name is Shane Khan. I'm from YouTube. I want to ask any of you guys, what do you guys want to do in Chicago? Like one thing before you leave. One thing you want to do in Chicago before you leave.
We want to have a good meal, I think.
I know.
Yeah, we're all getting out.
I'm gonna go for pizza.
Any suggestions?
I would recommend Lou Melanges as the best pizza.
Superman.
Lou Melanges.
Super Nani.
Lou Melanges is the best pizza.
Lou Melanges.
Giordano's the second best.
Lou Melanges.
Where do you guys recommend I should go?
You already have a recommendation.
Gujarati Desi pizza place also.
Guys,
Look,
one
pizza
place.
has to happen, guys. Please tell me the top 3. Just tweet to me, actually.
Super Nani.
Super Nani.
Lou Melanges. Lou Melanges.
Super Nani.
Lou Melanges.
Not Sunday, guys. Come on, you do better than that.
And the Lou Melanges.
Lou, like Mr. Lou, Lou Malnati's. Lou Malnati's.
Yeah. He's the best guy who's on.
Okay, we can figure it out.
We're gonna find a way. So basically, today and tomorrow there is no dieting. We're only gonna be eating pizza because we've heard too much about the Chicago pizza. So
Thank you.
you are gonna be arriving with me.
Let's see.
He already told me in the car that I'm not gonna go, but just bring me a slice. So he's just lying.
Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Chicago. And I would like to thank Bhavesh Bhai and Nick Bhai for inviting us here. I'm a huge fan of you guys, and I'm a singer, mother of 3. I have a dream, and this is perfect team for me, dream team. I released my own song, and then I released Tumhi Ho for you. I love you. And also then I released Bold Now for you, and yesterday I dedicated my song for you. That was Main Tenu Samjhawa. Will you sing that song?
Will you sing along with me?
I will if you can let me. And you know what my dream is? To sing a song in your movie because I'm a huge fan of your Bollywood movies. I know I dream big, but that's all about Dream Team is.
There's no life without an impossible dream. Always remember that.
Thank you. I would like to send my songs to you, Nick Bhai.
And I wish I could sing along, but I'm tone deaf. But I'm happy to kind of nod my head.
Okay, why don't you begin and I'll join you.
Right now?
Yeah.
This is for you. I love you. मैं तेनू समझावांगी
ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा
मैं करूँ इंतज़ार तेरा
तू दिल तू यूं जान मेरी जान मेरी That's so sweet. Thank you. You sung beautifully. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Monaji. I have a question for all of you. I've seen you guys in Houston. You've been traveling. You've been working hard. So, what is the difference in hospitality that you've seen here in Chicago versus other places?
लड़ाई करवाओगे यार.
But was there any difference?
पहले तो मैं एक चीज बता दूं कि all these places we've gone everywhere, we've been treated very well. We must say we're very happy with the way we've been treated. But for the first time, I entered my room and I saw a beautiful pair of shoes on my table, given to me by the lovely Nick Patel. So thank you so much. That is definitely a very very special experience when a girl walks into a room and she finds a beautiful pair of shoes.
Yeah.
I just want to say Chicago
I just created a new brand. I've been working for the last 2 years from Italy, and it's dedicated to exclusive, like very limited brands. So whatever you have is only 38 pair that we made.
Woo!
There is no style made more than 38. We are trying to make a trend like limited and more comfortable. So it's going to take time to get perfection. This is my first movie making it. By the 10th year, maybe we'll be better.
Well, it felt great and looked great, so I think you're doing a great job.
Even the boys got a
Boys didn't get anything. Boys didn't get anything.
Hey, we got something. Only next close for you.
What did boys get?
We got some tequila.
He knows what the boys want.
He knows what the boys want.
Now I was saying Chicago is very special for me because my Masi lives in Chicago in Buffalo Grove. She's here and a lot of friends of hers are here.
Can we see your Masi?
I don't think she's here. She's gone. They're gone. She and my mom have gone for a walk somewhere. But I remember my childhood because I came here as a kid and we would be hanging out in Buffalo Grove and shooting hoops, me and my brother. And that was the Jordan era was going on. And I still have that cap of Chicago Bulls. It's a lot of love for the city. Yeah?
Go Chicago!
Go Chicago Bulls!
I have to say that, and this I really mean from the bottom of my heart, and I say it honestly, that to me, the energy of a space is defined by the smile of the people that surround it. And I see the whitest smiles in Chicago. So that just means that the energy, the air you breathe, the people you are all heart and all soul. And I think that's what we expect tomorrow, is an audience full of heart and soul, because that reflects in our energy as well.
I do believe one thing about energy, and I always say, energy is everything, and tomorrow's show will rock. Like Pai said that we did over 100 shows. Every show was great, but this, when I watched in Houston, every item, I was saying it, I normally don't go out that much and watch. Every item I said, wow, wow. Every item, there is not one item was dull. So the all Facebook Live and everyone, friends, need to let them know. I 100% back up this show. If it's no one liked, they can come and talk to me personally because I never ever PS. Thank you guys.
Oh boy, do not come to Nick for returning those tickets or getting your money back, because it is going to be a successful show. Let's move to the back of the crowd. We would like you guys to come on, people. Please raise your hands so we can see you. Oh.
So, we're from Chris Media, Shiv and Sai, and I have a question for all of us. So, your first number is this song, right? So, when's your debut album with Drake and DJ Khaled coming out on Apple Music?
With me soon.
Yeah. Is there going to be an album coming out?
Not anytime soon, but I do intend to continue singing whenever I'm given the opportunity for my films. But no album for now.
Okay, we're gonna do last two questions.
Sure. Alright, so first of all, thank you so much for coming here. Trust me, आप लोगों ने कई लोगों की dream पूरी कर दी. I'm part of the media, I know I'm using the camera right now, but I'm part of the media and I actually have a show called The Fan Show. And we're really looking forward to you guys, but my question to you, and more like a thing I want to share with you guys and I want your input. I want Karanji to answer and also if Pariniti you can. And guys, before I forget, thank you so much Siddharth for the hats and the cap and the signed keychain. You're awesome. Guys, he's super humble, so let's hear for Siddharth Malhotra! Alright, so question. Sahil and LA Tan have been doing shows for the past 25 years. मैं जब छोटा था तब से कर रहे हैं. And this year, when they were doing Dream Team, for the past 8 months, they have been promoting this show. Like, we actually saw billboards with Karan sirs and all of you guys pictures on them. And I actually had some white friends saying, hey, do you know anything about the Dream Team thing? So trust me, everybody, even all the non-Desi people know about the show. So what do you want to say about Sahil and LA Tan? And I know कल के show के बाद में आप इसका जवाब बेहतर दे सकते हैं. But do you want to add something to this? Sahil and LA Tan, how's your experience with them so far and what you're looking forward to tomorrow?
It's amazing that they've been supportive. they've been supporting us, and जैसे कि आपने कहा कि इम्पैक्ट शो का 8 महीने से चल रहा है और जाहिर है कि उनकी वजह से चल रहा है क्योंकि वो बिल्डअप इतना कमाल का रहा है कि इट्स गॉन बियॉन्ड द डायस्पोरा एंड आई थिंक हमेशा अच्छा लगता है कि हमें इस किस्म का प्यार मोहब्बत इज्जत हमें मिलती है जब हम देश के बाहर जाते हैं और मेरा हमेशा से ये मानना है कि जो प्यार और इज्जत हमें देश के बाहर मिलती है that encourages us to go back and do even stronger and better work. तो जो जनाब का नाम आपने लिया है और तहे दिल से मैं उनका शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगा और कहना चाहूँगा कि यही इज्जत अफजाई को बढ़ाते रहे और हमेशा हमें देते रहे.
Actually, they're sitting right next to you. We got Nick Patel and Bhavesh Patel right there.
Because and all these wonderful and illustrious gentlemen that have actually been a part of bringing the dream team to fulfill our dreams and yours we're filled with gratitude for the fact that actually they platformed us. I stand tall because these are all young kids on my left and right, all of them young achievers, all of them actually have really broken through in the last decade and have really proved that they can win over an audience in a short span of time. It's wonderful that in a short span, with their music, their performances and their sheer energy, they have fans across the globe. So it makes me like a proud parent for all of them.
Awesome,
I feel really
awesome.
happy.
Thank you so much. But if you can add to it, so now I get a different angle on this. So sorry,
I'm going to make it quick. No, I think I can speak for all of us here. Right from the time we heard about the show, we were dying to come because, you know, we do many events in India and we do a lot of performances, but to just kind of do a tour is something that has not happened in 12 years. And I'm so glad that this kind of cast has happened and we're able to come and do shows here, and they've already been successful, and that's only thanks to all the promoters and all the people who put it together. So I thank them, and I hope they're happy with us, and I hope we've also lived up to their expectations and your expectations. We're just 50% down the tour. We've done well for ourselves. I just hope the rest of it is also as successful.
I think can we take some side questions now? Can we take it from that boy over there?
Yes, one last. This is the last question.
Can you please give it? Yeah, thank you.
My name is Shrey, and first, I highly recommend Luma Maddie's. My question is, who came up with the name Dream Team?
Good question.
Very good question.
Good question.
Sorry,
guys,
I think was
who came up with Dream Team?
Who came up with the name Dream Team? I think it was
We don't
me
know
actually.
this answer. Shut up. Was it? What nonsense.
Who came up with the name Dream Team?
Who was it, guys? Tell us.
I think
Reshma?
Yes.
Reshma?
Reshma, can you answer that question, please?
Reshma can you? She's gone away. Reshma, Nisha, who can answer this question? Koi bata do who came up with Dream Team?
Reshma Shetty. You know, actually, I'll give you.
I think it just naturally came to them. They saw our faces and were like, this happened.
This team would only happen in your dreams, so that's why we had to call it that.
I think Reshma. I think all of them on the platform would be able to answer. They can.
No, you know, actually, I don't know who came up with the name. I'll tell you.
Matrix. Okay, guys. Yeah, Matrix came up with Dream Team.
No, I'll tell you who the actual dream team is. The actual dream team is all our support staff, all our makeup men,
Yes. All our lovely managers.
Here is because of them. And
Who make sure we're in one
sit over here is because of these guys, and they are the actual dream team, not us.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I want to request the astounding star cast of Dream Team to leave us or Chicago with a message and let us know what do we expect at the show tomorrow.
I think we'll leave you with a song. You want to hear Parinidhi sing, guys?
What we'll all sing. Just think hum honge kamyab. Kal. No, I'm not singing. We're here to dance and we're going to be dancing a lot tomorrow. So just come and enjoy the show, guys. That's all I'll say. VDs and all.
All right, we'll be wrapping up this evening with a few words from Bhavesh Patel.
Also, our national promoter Puru Kaul is here as well. I'd like to welcome him and thank him for taking the time to be with us tonight. Where are you, Puru? I can't see you. I know he's here. Well, if he does find out, then we would love to have met him on this platform. And thank him for being here, actually, tonight.
But thank you, Chicago, and we're going to see you tomorrow night and get ready to have a lot of fun with the dream team.
I'd like to thank guys, so much. I will say a few words. I'd like to thank the media for coming out tonight in such short notice. In like 3 hours, we got a good crowd here. Our supporters who've been supporting us for the last 20 years. Thank you so much. before we leave, I need to call two people up who are the backbone for me and Nick, our mentors. Without them, they're behind the scenes, but without them, this show would not be possible. My father, Babu Patel, and Nick's brother, Mayur Patel. Please come here.
See you guys tomorrow to party.
One, two, three, come on! Let's bounce with it! Let's bounce with it! Let's bounce with it! Come on, come on, come on! Mix it up, yo, mix it up, yo, mix it up!
अब मिलके सारे ऐश करें, ये प्यार की दौलत कैश करें। अब मिलके सारे ऐश करें, ये प्यार की दौलत कैश करें। मन में जो आए वो ही पाए, दिल की सोचते हम।
Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back! Come on! Let's bounce with it! Let's bounce with it! Let's bounce with it! Come on, come on, come on!
जिए अपनी मर्जी से, पिए जाम खुशी वाले, ओ कल की कोई बात नहीं, आज ही खुशी बना ले। जिए अपनी मर्जी से, पिए जाम खुशी वाले, ओ कल की कोई बात नहीं, आज ही खुशी